Hi everyone, I'm Asif Iqbal. Today I will explain the module Introduction to Business Operations Management, Week 1 slides. Module code is BMM3003. First of all, we will look on the different learning outcomes of this module. The students will be able to learning outcome 1, demonstrate an understanding of business operations and management. Learning outcome 2, explain the key concepts of effective operations strategy. Learning outcome 3, explain the role and scope of business management. Learning outcome 4, contextualization of knowledge within a real business. So these are the 4 learning outcomes that will be covered in this module, Introduction to Business Operations and Management. So today we are going to cover learning outcome 1, demonstrate an understanding of business operations and management. By the end of the session, you will be learn about introduction to business, why do business exist, what is business operations management, basic business objectives and how they are determined. So first of all, we will discuss what is business. Businesses carry out activities such as producing goods or providing services with the aim of selling them to customers and making a profit. So business, the main aim of every business is to generate the profit. And how the business can generate the profit? By producing goods or providing the services. According to the Cambridge University, business is the activity of buying and selling things. So if you look on the slide, these things can be classified into 2 types, products versus services. So we go in more detail in products and services versus services in the next slide. Difference between products and services. If you look on the slide, product is on one side and services on the other side. Products are tangible while services are intangible. Products are imperishable while services are perishable. Products can be returned. Services cannot be returned. It means that if a customer purchases a product, it can be returned. But when a customer can avail a service, it's not possible to return the service. Products are homogeneous in nature, means the same kind, same quality, while the services are heterogeneous in nature. Heterogeneous means is in different kinds, it's not the same things. In product, the quality of product can be measured, that you can measure the quality of product in terms of quantitative, like the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, while the services cannot be measured in the quantity. The next one is the why do businesses exist? There's some reasons to exist the businesses. Many businesses exist in order to meet a specific need or fill a certain gap in the market. To do this, they sell goods, services, or both. When any of the business can find a gap in the market, then they can start the business and they are going to be sell the goods, products, or both of them to fill the gap in the market. An entrepreneur might start a business enterprise because there is demand for the goods or services they can provide. Entrepreneurs are the ones who are going to start the business newly, and entrepreneur feel that there's a demand for that good or service in the market. So it's better for me to start that one and generate profit from that activity because there's a demand is available in the market. So this means that they have spotted an opportunity to meet the need of the customer in a way that is not currently being offered. So the business can spot this opportunity to that they need to fulfill the needs and demands of the customer, which is not currently met by anyone in the market. Due to this reason, the businesses are going to be exist in the market. What is business operations management? Business operations management is the administration of business practices to create the highest level of efficiency possible within an organization. It is concerned with converting material labor into goods and services as efficiently as possible to maximize the profit of an organization. And this definition is from Hayes 2023. It means that the businesses are do the things in such a way that they can convert the material and goods, that they can generate more and more profit. But the method to convert these things should be efficient and effective as well. So every business has some objectives. So here we are going to discuss the 6 basic objectives of the businesses. One is the survival. Next one is the profitability. Next one is the customer satisfaction. Then social responsibility, growth, stability. Now, all these 6 we are going to discuss in more detail in the coming slides. So if you look on this slide, there is a 2 objectives are mentioned here. One is survival, one is profitability. First, we look on the survival. This is the most basic business objective. Every business must make enough of a profit to keep operating, or else it will fold. So every business wants to earn the profit to keep operating. It means to want to run the businesses. Otherwise, it's going to be closed down. Many new businesses will have this an objective in their first few years. The new businesses have the objective that they need to be have enough profit that they need to be survive in the market, stay in the market. Some small businesses will continue to have this objective as they struggle against economic recession or face fierce competition. Small businesses are going to be always have this objective that they can survive in the market because they are struggling due to the recession in the market as inflation is very high, unemployment is very high, or the businesses face fierce competition. It means the competition is very high in the market. Due to this one, it's going to be problem for the small businesses that they need to be only survive in the market due to these reasons. That's one of the basic objectives that they have a hope that they can earn the good profits in the coming years. The other objective is the profitability. And this is the most important objective of every business, that they want to achieve the high profits for the owners, for the shareholders, and every business want to maximize its profits year by year. The next objective is the customer satisfaction. The objective aims to ensure customers are happy with the product and level of service offered by the business. One of the major aims of customer satisfaction is that customers will show loyalty and return to buy from the business in the future. Every business wants that their customers are happy with any type of products the business is offering, the services the business is offering, and it means the customer satisfaction is that customers show loyalty, customer loyal to the business, and they will return back again to purchase the things or want to avail the services from the business in the future as well if the customer is satisfied from the services or the products offered to them. The next objective is the social responsibility. The objective is concerned with the business activities not causing damage to the environment or people. Every business is very concerned about the things that whatever the activities they are doing for the business is not going to be damage the environment or the people. For example, some of the businesses using the packages that can reduce the harm for the wildlife or the atmosphere. So every business is very concerned about these things, that their activities are not going to harm the people. The air should be clean as well, and it should not be harm the wildlife. Another important objective is the growth. Every business want to achieve the growth. The growth should be in terms of increased profit, revenue, sales, capacity they want to increase. They want to increase the number of employees. So in this way, if the business is going to do these things, then it means the business is going to be growing. If they're going to maximize its profits, it's going to number of employees going to be increased from the last years. Their sales are going to be increased from the last years. It means they are going to achieve the objective of growth. The next one objective is the stability. Stability means continuity of business. Our enterprise of business should achieve stability in terms of customer satisfaction, credit worthiness, employee satisfaction. A stable organization can easily handle changing dynamics of the market. It means the company is going to be stable in terms of they can satisfy its customer, their employees are going to be satisfied as well working that one. So if these are things are going to be stable, then any organization can handle any type of changes in the market. So that's the objective as well. So that we have discussed about these 6 objectives now. So here I just provided some of the references for the links for the different websites are provided here, that you can get the information about the business, about the objectives of the business, business operations management from these links. And what you will learn next week. Next week, topics are explanation of supply chain, logistics, and production functions in detail, quality control processes, and case study on quality control processes. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please send me the email. Thank you very much.